Today we are going to try to replicate the Starbucks Pistachio cold brew coffee. So we're going to have whipping cream, brown sugar, some pistachios, and some cold brew coffee, or you can use instant coffee. So let me go ahead and get the instant coffee mixed up with just a bit of hot water, and then I'll add ice. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We have a lot of great cooking videos on our My Cafe Secrets playlist, including a lot of replica videos on how to make popular items. I'm going to use these 2 packs of instant coffee. I'll save a dash inside to sprinkle on top for garnish. And then I have just a bit of hot water here. And I'm going to mix it up. Just going to go ahead and mix that up, and then I'll add some ice, of course. And next we're going to work on our cold brew. Okay, I like to make my coffee nice and foamy. Save this for later so I can sprinkle this over the cold foam. I'm grinding up my pistachios in the coffee grinder, and if you have mixed nuts, it's okay to add in a couple of sweet peanuts or sweet cashews. So let's see how it's looking. There's still some whole pieces in there. I'm going to blend it a little bit more. This looks like a nice fine pistachio powder. It smells good. So we have our little crushed up pistachios. It's very fine. We'll also use a bit of this later on as a garnish for on top of the cold cream. Now we have to make the cream. The sweet cream. I'm going to put 1 heaping spoon of brown sugar. Let's blend this up until it gets nice and foamy. Let's see how it looks. It's still a little too thin. It has to be a bit thicker. And if you don't want whipped cream, you want to stop it right before it turns extra fluffy. So it's like the cold foam at Starbucks. Okay, this is a perfect consistency. So I added in the pistachio powder and gave it a little blend. And this is how it looks. And it's really good. Now it's time to put this drink together. I put a mixture of cubes and crushed. Added a little bit of water to dilute our strong coffee at the bottom. And now here comes our pistachio foam. For the garnish, you just want to go like this. There's probably always a little left over of your coffee, pistachios that you crushed up. So there it is. This is how to make the pistachio cold brew coffee at home. And you can also make your coffee overnight and put it in the fridge, and it will taste nice and strong in the morning. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And by the way, look at this. I have so much cream left over. I could save this for tomorrow's coffee. And after I put a straw in the coffee and stir it up, this is how it looks, and it was really tasty.